How full of problems is your life? Please bring your problems to me and discuss them with me. We must live this reality of life together. What is the real power in your life? In your life is when your heart and mind are with me. Be sensitive to my heart and to listen and live in accordance with what I tell you. I desire to help every person. Practice your relationship with me every day. Only in this way will you come to the spiritual, divine maturity that when you look at something or someone, you can feel that you are looking at him, her through my eyes. The path of perfection to making you and me are not two separate things, but you feel you are one unit with me when you look at a situation or something and experience it. And a kind of heavenly possession in you, but also in me, because what you express to me is unique in the world, no one else can do it equal. You will have happened at times to feel my presence through someone. This happens because that person has created the basis that I can live and show myself in him. Perfection is to never be separated from me in everything you do, in every moment you live, in every emotion. And on that basis never be separated in yourself, between your mind, spirit and body. This is the secret of secrets for the religious world. The Jews crucified Jesus, because he said, God has revealed this to me. God does his works through me, God works and expresses himself through me. God is in me, I am in him. God works and expresses himself through me. This is the way Satan has made humanity avoid understanding my purpose of creation and its potentials as spiritual and divine beings. The devil does not want you to find and understand the real you and how much you can be united to and live deeply with me. He wants to keep you spiritually in an animalistic, evil, satanic state, so that you more easily lose the awareness and trust of my love, for each of you, of my grace and ideal of life for you. And to have you have the strength to rebel and reclaim your own divinity and powerful spiritual life. Is your heavenly selfishness right? It is nothing sinful, if it allows you to grow and allows your divinity to flow out, along with me. Your divinity is the source of gigantic power. To be people full of power, full of strength, to live a full, powerful life, full of energy, if you want to live like that, it is not a sin. Why do you have to continue to be religious people who are only instilled with a constant sinful state and an inability to understand me? The devil uses anything that can drive you away and separate you from me, even through a religious and hierarchical way. Satan has often used the path of religions to fool my children, based on the concept of humility and suffering atonement. You must be humble, you are a great sinner, you cannot understand God, you cannot do great things. And so people are scared and stuck and afraid. And all this is for what? To hide from them the ability to understand that they have and that I have given them a spiritual power in creating them and avoid finding out about how spiritual and divine beings they are. Satan wants you not to understand the spiritual power you have in you, in me. Jesus said you will do greater things than me. He was talking about this enormous spiritual power. Huge that people had and have, that you have.